Hi guys, Randy Cashmore with Cashmore Financial Group, financial advice for everyday people. We're located about halfway between Chicago and Milwaukee in Grays Lake, Illinois. And a couple years back, I was looking to do some explainer videos, but had no ability to kind of do those on my own, and in came Client Machine. Client Machine was able to put together 20 explainer videos that I was able to put out on YouTube, Facebook, email, and they were wonderful. They were kind of just explaining different investments, different processes. They did a bang-up job, all branded with my logo and everything else. We have rebranded recently, and I reached out to them for a second time, and actually was involved in writing some of the scripts and stuff this time, which was an easy process too, because they hired somebody that knew how to write, not me. I would just say, if there's one thing I take away from my relationship with Client Machine, two things actually. Wonderful people to work with, and don't do this at home. There's a company out there that can take good care of you and get her done. Couldn't be happier with Client Machine. Thought you might like to know. Thanks so much for listening. We'll talk soon.